Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and in today's video I want to show you guys this quick, natural, clean girl makeup routine that I've been loving. So if you guys are interested in seeing it, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Self-control is helping you think. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a God. Where I'm from, exerted solar clean. You come from a city where there's lean with God. How the fuck you keep so many seeds? How you going thinking what's the beat? How the fuck you see so many beats? She gets to them places, don't go cheap. I see it back in the first, remember who took it at first. Get it, got you a whip, you ain't got back on the shit. I had to tell where to get it. I'm always moving too fast, I'm feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one could find you. Man, shit not in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desire, I know. You got desire, I know. You got desire. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so old to my face? Why is stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Night skies always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja vu.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grow stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. While it's going on, I put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got her home, but she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? can't keep this alone. All that's going on, I put it in a song.
Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do stick to the business. But you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
I hadn't called in. Would you have even told me about this?
Crazy. Of course I would have told you.
Yeah, like you told me about the Christmas party, huh? Or what about the parking garage? Yes, you told me about you being in a parking garage with this woman. What else haven't you told me, Derek? Because all I'm hearing are things you haven't told me.
I was wrong. I should have told you the truth from the beginning, but I...
You should have. Why didn't you?
Because you know what? I didn't think it was a big deal in the first place, and then I was kind of embarrassed. How do I say it to you without looking like...
Guilty? White Derek.
Niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just got accept. I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck. Yeah. I put some ice on her hand. I let her take in advance. She wasn't going this plan. I put shit in her van. She gotta move her friend. Her she went back to the man. Give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway. You know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's still go wild way. It's going in. Me and Lil Sickle sitting sideways, breaking 10. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion, not in person, it's a beachfront. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tended by the pool and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep it pocket greased up. Me and Capo trying to leave our marketplace to eat stuff. Ain't nobody making too much money off the beach stuff. But I be for rap because I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't got respect, niggas just got accept. I put that top left, I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck.
If you guys made it all the way until the end, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me do this quick makeup tutorial and getting this looks together. If you guys are interested in any of the products mentioned in today's video, everything will be linked down below. Before you head out, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. I love you guys so much. Mwah.